Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Garden Single Cup Break number 1159, 1415 Upper Deck the Cup. Last team to end the break was the Edmonton Oilers on October 26th at 7:03 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And to our current date and time, refresh is currently Wednesday, October 26th at 11:28 p.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here. And of course, for anybody that hasn't registered on a break site before, you can register your account there. We have a couple of deluxe hit drafts and a mixer break for tomorrow night. For anybody interested, 11:59. And this is box number 6 of 6 from our case, so the last single tin break. And we'll be starting a new case tomorrow. So for anybody that didn't follow the case from start to finish, we'll post cup break 1158 below. We reference the serial number. And 3202 is box 6 of 6 was the UPC code. And sealed. Okay, so here we go. So 3202 is our serial number. So here we go, guys. I feel so far away from my monitor now. Okay. So here we go. Start the break off with a base card of Phil Kessel, 129, 249 for the Toronto Maple Leaf. And our next one is a very nice auto rookie patch for the Winnipeg Jets of Adam Laurie, 236 of 249. Definitely off the chest logo there, off the Canadian Maple Leaf and the Jet there. Very nice patch. Laurie, 236 of 249. And a limited logos patch auto of Alex Galchenyuk, number 10 of 50. Going out to Montreal. Nice color patch there. And our next one is a enshrinements autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Tom Barrasso, 93 of 99. Tom Barrasso for Pittsburgh. And very nice. We have a rookie masterpiece print plate, and this is the actual cup version of Sam Reinhart. Going out to the Buffalo Sabres. So that's the actual cup. NHL Cup Auto Patch print plate version. So very nice for Buffalo. And finish up our break with a auto rookie patch of Brendan Kuzan, 167 of 249 for Toronto. Brendan Kuzan. So a couple of decent patches. So tomorrow, brand new case. First box on new case tomorrow. 10 box ultimate and